Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make circle stickers on Canva. First, open Canva and start a new design. Select custom dimensions, perhaps a 3" by 3" square, which works well for a circular sticker. Next, navigate to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Search for Circle and drag a basic circle shape onto your canvas. Resize this circle to nearly fill the square, leaving a small margin. This will be the foundation of your custom sticker design. Now, let's get creative and design your sticker. You can add text by clicking the Text tab and choosing a style. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, and colors to match your brand or theme. Head back to Elements to find graphics, icons, or even upload your own images. Drag and drop these onto your circle, arranging them until you are happy. Remember to keep all your design elements neatly inside the circular boundary for a clean look. Achieving the perfect size and placement is crucial for a professional-looking sticker. Use the corner handles to fine-tune the circle's dimensions. Canva's smart guides will appear, helping you center your design elements precisely within the circle. You might want to add a subtle border to your circle for a crisp edge. If you are printing and cutting these yourself, ensure a small bleed area, perhaps 1/8 of an inch, around the design for cutting accuracy. Finally, it is time to save and prepare your sticker for printing. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. For the best quality, choose a high-resolution file type like PNG for transparency or PDF for print. If you are using a professional printing service, they often prefer PDF files. For home printing, load your sticker paper and adjust your printer settings to best quality for vibrant, clear results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.